Damn. Yeah.
I done took the hostage out. I'm about to go again.
$271. Tried to slow it down and not get them heads. Which reminds me, y'all don't always gotta get them headshots. As long as y'all take the person out, you'll be all right. You don't always need them headshots, man. I think he out with them. 271 was the time. Me and Poppy the Gun Guy, man. Y'all go follow him, subscribe to his channel. Straight out of Oklahoma. Definitely took the hostage out.
I'm not slowing down. That shit crazy. Alright. $133. I tried to slow that all the way down. How you want to switch it up?
Let's do one shot and reload.
One shot reload.
One shot reload.
The same target.
Yeah, we can.
I got a couple more. I think this is like the biggest, probably the biggest one.
Now we can go get that dude in there with the gun.
Oh, word.
First, want me to go? Want me to go first or what up?
Yeah, you go first. Say one reload.
Yeah. Now you two, one shot, reload.
One shot reload. I need to work on this anyway, reloading that pistol.
Yeah.
Well, that shit, I be doing that shit slow as hell, but the AR, reloading that AR, that shit.
You got that AR, yeah.
Yeah. Gotta work on this shit.
Alright, one shot reload.
One shot reload. Trying to take out the motherfucking bad guy.
Lost the motherfucking dot.
We got a hit right here.
Oh, we sure did. That must have been that reload. Had to be.
Oh, hey, you took the bad guy out.
Had to be. Bad guy out, but I probably took out somebody behind him. Probably took out somebody behind him. that mean? Answer that for me, YouTube. We are responsible for every bullet that come out of the chamber. Out of that barrel. So if you don't got the shot, don't take it. I'll be practicing on that. Yeah. Oh, damn, my bad. That's a nice mic you got on there, too.
Yeah,
that light on there.
oh, this right here? I don't even remember who's sitting that shit. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
It's nice.
That bitch bright though. Alright, one shot reload.
Yep.
This ain't easy as it looks.
Hey, nah, help me. That was perfect.
This shit is kind of hard. For sure. Hey, yeah. This way, right?
Yep.
Only thing that be getting me, but sometimes when I put the bag in, it go ahead and rack forward. I ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
When it slide back, sometimes it just go ahead when I hit it hard.
Oh, at a rack forward by itself?
Yeah.
I ain't even ever tried that. Yeah. That's better.
Sometimes it do it, sometimes it don't. That shit catch me off guard.
That's better. I ain't even tried it that way.
Shit like this. Sometimes when I put it in, if I smack it hard enough, see?
Yeah.
And then it's loaded. Then sometimes it don't. That's why, you know what I mean? I be fumbling with it.
Huh.
Yeah.
I ain't tried that. I'm gonna have to try that. You throwing the gloves on? Where you got them gloves from? Change tactical.
Change tactical. Alright, bet. Look like some good quality gloves, man. Awesome.
I have never shot with gloves on. So we don't.
Word up, let's get it.
on. 43. Man. I got one on.
Got him in the arm.